Viral Science, the home of creativity.
Hey friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to make an face detection automatic door lock system with ESP32 cam board. So now I have enrolled my face. Now I will test it with my parents. Will it open the lock? Let's see. So guys, it didn't work with my parents' face. Now I will try it again. So it detected and opened the lock. So let's get started making it. I recommend you to watch my previous video on ESP32 cam, which is the beginner's video, so it will be helpful for you to make this project. So for this project, you will need a ESP32 cam board, a UART TTL programmer, relay module, solenoid lock, LEDs, 12 volt power supply or you can use a battery, 7805 regulator which will give us 5 volt, and a 100 UF 16 volt capacitor, a breadboard, and some wires. So to program our ESP32 board, you will need to do these connections and connect it with the computer. I am using 3 volt power from this module. If you get some brownout errors, you can shift to 5 volts. I have used Camera Web Server example and modified it for our project. To download this code, you can find the link in the description down below. Now we'll select our board and rest of other board we will comment it. Now we'll enter our Wi-Fi name, that is Wi-Fi SSID, and the Wi-Fi password. Now properly select all these options from Tools tab. Now click on Upload button. When this bar is full, you can press the Reset button which is below the board. And now it will start uploading the code. After you finish uploading, remove this jumper cap which is from IO0 and ground. Now select the baud rate and again press the reset button. Now you will get an IP address link, copy it and paste it in your browser and open it. Now we'll connect all the components of our project. I am using this 7805 regulator to get 5 volt from 12 volt. Because ESP32 cam board works on 5 volt and our relay module also works on 5 volt. The reason for using the 12 volt or a 9 volt battery is that our solenoid lock works on 12 volt. If you are separately using 5 volt, then you don't need any regulator. The red and white wire indicates the 12 volt power supply. Now we'll power the whole circuit. You can see the red light, it means it's power on. Now we'll go to our browser and type the IP address. So here our page is open. Here we'll select face detection and face recognition and click on start stream. So you can see the stream. Now first we will click on enroll face. This will capture some images of your face. And that's it, you are done. So now when the module will find the similar face, it will turn on the relay module and the solenoid lock will open for 5 seconds. You can even enroll multiple faces. So as you can see in the video, this lock opened with only my face. If you like this video, then hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to my channel for more videos.
Do subscribe and press bell icon to get instant notification for new video.